You're not going to believe how easy this bread is to make. In this bowl, I have 450 grams of whole wheat flour and 50 grams of bran. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, that's 5 milliliters each, and 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan, as you can see. You guys use any salt you want. I'm gonna add some seeds to this. I have pepitas and sunflower seeds. Maybe 1/8 of a cup. So now all we're gonna do is mix this well. I have 500 milliliters of water in this jug. It's warm. And I'm gonna start with 400, guys, maybe not. And then we'll see if we need more. This has to be a wet dough, but you know, flours are different. And I just wanna show you the consistency, okay? We're just gonna mix it and make sure we're not leaving any dry patches of flour, okay? We're not going to knead this dough, guys. It's just so easy, it's incredible. So I'm gonna add the rest of my water. Whole wheat flour, you know, it absorbs liquid more than white flour. So, all right, I'm gonna go wash my hands and put my hands in here. So as I was telling you, this has to be a wet dough. Just want to make sure I'm getting all of the flour from the bottom of the bowl. Perfect. This is what we want. We want a sticky, wet dough, guys. So I'm going to cover this and put it inside my oven, which is not turned on. Just let it rise for about an hour or until it's double its size, okay? Look at that dough. We're gonna transfer it into a loaf pan now. Just let it fall in there. Nice. I know this mold is a little bigger than the red loaf pan, but this is what I have. So now we're just gonna make sure it's levels out in there. We're gonna bake this bread at an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 centigrade for 50 minutes, guys. Our bread is ready. It's nice crust outside. We're gonna flip it over and let it cool down completely. I took it out of the oven at 45 minutes because it was starting to brown too much on top. So check yours and see how it goes. All right, we'll let it cool down completely and we will have a piece. Oof, yummy. All right, guys, let's dig into our bread. Nice and crunchy. This bread is full of good things, no bad things, delicious. Oh, I love it. I make this all the time, it's so easy. That is so soft. And then, you know, the crunchy side. Ah. Perfect. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm going to see you soon.